Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to Alfatiha Online Quran Institute. From today we are starting Norani Qaida from the beginning, in which we are going to learn from letters to combined letters, al harakat, zabar zer pesh, also known as fatha kasra damma. We are going to learn each and every exercise to understand how to read Quran. Before starting the lesson, please subscribe to my channel and also follow my Facebook page to get more videos related to Tajweed, learning of Quran and Tilawa. So let's begin. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So we are going to start from the beginning, and first three letters are very easy. Alif, Ba, Ta. Ta is light and soft word, and the next one is Tha. How to pronounce Tha when your tip of tongue touch to tip of upper teeth. When your tip of tongue touch to tip of upper teeth. How do we say it? Tha. Tha. For example, if I show you the visuals, that is how it's going to be look like. Your tip of tongue, this part of your tongue, is touching to this part, upper teeth, over here. Tha. Tha. Read again. Tha. Again. Tha. Move on to the next letter. This one dot. Jim. Jim. Next letter comes from middle of throat. Ha. Read after me. Ha. 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 And this letter comes from upper throat. Ha. Ha. This letter is bold and also from upper throat. Ha. Ha. So what's the difference between these three letters? If I can draw it. Jim having dot over here. Ha has no dot, and Kha has one dot on the top. That is the difference between them. Shapes are same. The only difference is dot. Jim having one dot. Ha doesn't have any dot, empty, and Kha has one dot on the top. Jim, Ha, Kha, and this one is Dal. Ta and Dal has the same point. They are light Dal. Again. Dal. And this one, when your tip of tongue try to upper teeth, same like sa. Dal. Tip of tongue try to upper teeth. This tip of tongue try to upper teeth, this part. Dal. Dal. This one is raw, little bit bold, with full mouth. Raw, raw. And next one is za. Za. This word is hard. Za. So some students are confused between these two letters. Dal is light when your tip of tongue touches to upper teeth. Dal. And za is hard. Za. Dal. Light one. This one is hard. Za. This one is light. Dal. And this one is hard. Za. Next one. Seen. 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 Next one. Sheen. Sheen. So what is the difference between sa and sheen? Both having 3 dots on the top. So how do we know what is the difference? For example, if I connect alif with both of them, so how do we know? I am connecting 3 dots on the top, and over here 3 dots on the top either. So this one I say number 1 and this one I say number 2. So which one is sheen and which one is sa? So the number 1 is, can you say it please? Sheen. It is sheen because it has 3 corners. 1, 2, 3. Same as you see in this, in the exercise. 1, 2, 3. So when these 3 corners has 3 dots on the top, so it's sheen. When there are no 3 corners, just 3 dots on the top, so it's sa. That's the difference between sheen and sa. Okay, let's move on. This one is full mouth, with full mouth. Sod. 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 And this one is dod. When your side edge, the corner, the tongue of the side corner of your tongue, both of them or one of them touch to the upper teeth, so this letter will be pronounced properly. Dod. Dod. So the difference between sod and dod is dot. Sod is empty, dod having 1 dot on the top. So let's move on. Next one is ta. Okay. Ta, dal and ta. These 3 letters have the same point. The only difference is ta and dal are light, but ta is bold, full mouth. Ta, ta. So they are different with each other. This one is ta, light. And this one is ta, ta. That's why in Surah Fatiha we read صراط الذين صراط الذين, and this letter is the same point like sa and zal, but this one is bold, full mouth, but tip of tongue should be touched to upper teeth. The. Repeat again. The. Repeat again. The. So next one is from middle of throat. Ain. Ain. So first letter we read from middle of throat is ha. Ha. And the second letter we are reading from middle of throat is Ain. Ain. Okay, let me show you how the letter comes from the parts I am trying to tell you. You can see this image. So we have done that. Ain, we are reading this one. Ain from middle of throat, and ha also from middle of the throat. So where the point comes over here, middle of throat. Okay. Ha, ain. You will feel the vibration when you are reading them. Ain, ha, and top of the throat we read kha, kha, and now we are reading this one ghain. These are also both of them from upper throat. This part kha, you will feel the vibration in your upper throat. Kha, ghain, ghain. Okay, we should move on. This one, ghain. So the next one, fa, fa. Fa has one dot on the top. Qaf, qaf. This one is bold with full mouth. Repeat after me. Qaf, qaf. And the next one is kaf. This one is light. The only difference between two of them, I'm telling you the easy way. Whenever you see the qaf with two dots on the top, so this one is bold, full mouth, and the other one is light, kaf. So light kaf also come with this shape. Kaf. Next one. Lam. Repeat after me. Lam. And this one. Mim. Mim. Your lips will be joined at the end. Mim. This one dot on the top is Noon. Noon. Okay, next two letter, they have 1 point. These two letters has 1 point. But before that, we are going to read this one. Wow, you have to um, circle your lips to pronounce it correctly. Wow, wow, round. Your lips should be round. Wow. Next one. Ha. End of throat. Ha. So it's the second ha we are reading. First was this one. We read it from upper throat, middle of the throat, sorry. We read it from middle of the throat. Ha. Ha. And this one is ha. End of throat. Ha. This one. Hamza. Hamza. Okay, let me show you the points of these letters. Bottom of the throat, end of the throat. There they are. Nearest to the chest. Ha. Hamza. Ha. Hamza. Ha. Hamza. Repeat after me. Ha. Hamza. Okay. Now we are moving to the next letter. This letter has two dots on the bottom. Ya. 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 So this letter has two dots on the bottom, but it also appears without dot, so we should know. Ya. Ya. I hope you learned a lot in this lesson. Inshallah, we will come back with the next exercise, which is joining letters. On the next class, we are going to read it. If you have any question related to this lesson, you can ask me on the comment and I will reply you. And if it has more explanation, then I will also make a complete video on it. Jazakallah for listening. Allah Hafiz.